I'm saying, is there no cobbler nearby? What happened? No, wait. How can you throw it? Such an expensive shoe it was. It was Sister Nipa's shoe. Why did you throw it?
From here, we'll straight go to Rajiv's house by car. What will keep you quiet?
You know, Mithai can't keep quiet like this. Not possible. Oh, okay, fine. I'll keep quiet for a while. The sweets? Oh no, I left the sweets in the car. What if somebody steal it from the car? I think the car's window is open. Okay, fine.
Yes. Okay, fine. Hey, listen.
Can't you see?
Can you hear me?
Yes, what is it?
They're saying that Mithai and Siddharth left long back.
Well, that's good.
Then why are they still not here? It is such a short distance. How long does it take?
Brother, I hope there was no problem on the way. Siddharth is coming with the Mithai, right?
That's disgusting. How will I know? I'm exactly where you are.
Brother Rajiv, I'm so nervous what to do.
Wait, pathetic. I don't like all this anymore.
Hey.
My elder brother-in-law is driving me crazy. Well, I have a plan. Let's go outside and check. Come.
Okay.
Hey,
What?
can you hear that horn?
Yes.
Yes,
Car
yes, yes.
sound? You guys go and check.
Yes, let's go.
Okay,
Come.
One second.
Hey, now what? Why are you calling us again?
No, you can't
What?
forget one thing. Be careful. You have to act as if you don't know that they are coming.
Right,
Right, Nanda.
Right.
I almost
Oh.
forgot, brother. Just
Huh?
relax and take a deep breath.
Hey, you
Deep breath.
be quiet. Why were we going outside? Tell me, Ratul. We were going outside because we had to go to the market.
Yes.
Market, yes.
Nanda, go and bring that thing fast.
What?
What?
That thing that we need to go to the
Oh.
market.
Money, I have money.
Hey, no, not the money. The thing in which we put
You mean the
stuffs.
bag?
Yes.
Okay, I'm bringing it.
Go. Oh, my.
Brother,
You keep telling me, relax. First, you calm down and take a deep breath.
I can't take this anymore. Sandy could have write a script for us.
Yes, Sandy's jobless, you think? I want to know, will I get the bag or not?
Yes, here it is. I also asked mom and dad to get ready.
Yes, come.
Okay, let's go.
Now I'm going to the market.
Oh Lord. Please make sure that everything happens perfectly. If mom gets to understand that Sid don't even accept this marriage and will never accept Mithai as wife, then it will be a disaster. Now the situation is little bit under control. I hope it stays the same. Oh Lord. Please give us your blessings.
Can you hear me? See, Siddharth has come to visit. Give the news to mom and dad.
Yes. Help me, oh Lord. Mom! Dad! Mom!
Come in, Mithai, come in. You have come to our house after marriage without any news. I'm totally surprised. Huh?
Yes.
Uh.
Welcome.
Oh, headmistress, how are you? Just see here.
I am good.
I myself made the sweets for all of you. Take
It's
this,
okay, Mithai.
please.
It's okay, Mithai. It's okay.
Bless you, my child.
Mithai,
Yes.
I have heard that you make amazing sweets. Rajiv has told us.
Not amazing. Mom, not just amazing. It's heavenly. Our Mithai is a champion in all this.
Yes, you're right, brother. Nanda, keep aside few sweets for us, otherwise your husband will...
Your husband what?
Are you going to talk standing here? We need to go inside, right, Mithai? Siddharth, come inside. Please come. Really, it's my pleasure to see you both together. Hey, Nanda, they will be doing lunch with us. I'm going to the market. You take
Yes.
care of them.
No, uncle. We'll be leaving soon
What
after
are you
going
saying?
home. I have to go for a site visit. I have some work.
No, you can't leave like this. Hey, Siddharth, we have a lot of things to talk about. Hey, Sushmita, say something. Come on,
yes,
say.
Siddhartha, I have lots of things to talk about with Mithai. You can leave after we finish talking, okay?
Yes, gossip. Gossip. Of course we will gossip. Surely. This is the first time we came to your house. Sister, you have decorated the house very well. I liked
Is
it
it
very
so?
much. Yes.
Come inside. I will show you every corner of the house.
Okay, come on.
Come in.
Come in.
Come in.
Let's go.
Come.
Brother Rajiv, I have to leave now. I have a very important work to finish.
Ratul,
Hmm?
go inside.
Okay.
Siddharth, don't spoil the moment. I understand that you fought with yourself to come here with Mithai. I know this fact very well. Just to fix Nipa and Ratul's marriage. So you should finish the incomplete work for which you came here. It's just a matter of one day. See, please don't do something in front of my mom so that mom can understand actually how are you feeling about Mithai. If that happens, everything will be ruined again. Forever. Now, what you have to do is, you have to behave as a very normal husband of Mithai. Just like me. Most importantly, you know you are acting right. So perform the role very well. It's just a matter of one day. Come inside.
I think
Hey, listen, here it is. I made this in a hurry. So please tell me, how does it
let
taste?
me try this first one moment.
Yes.
It looks delicious. Let me try.
How is it?
Outstanding, superb. Rajiv, try this. Come on.
Yes, of course, I'll try.
May I try this
to,
too?
please.
Please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Siddharth,
Mm.
do try it. It's awesome. For once at least, you should try. Come on.
No, brother Rajiv. Don't you know that no, I mean he doesn't like sweets. He feels nauseous over sweets. No need to bother him.
Sid, I'll get you black coffee. And you guys with milk and sugar, right?
Of course.
Why not?
How can you even drink black coffee? I don't understand this.
Oh my, not just bitter coffee. You know, a far more bitter tea in the morning. How can someone even drink that in the morning? I don't understand. Oof, my lord. You know what Siddharth once made me drink that bitter tea? Yak! I was about to vomit. I was just saying.
You are talking way too much, don't you think?
Siddharth? Does she need your permission to talk? I thought you are a very modern guy. Why are you trying to control her?
No, Aunt Shishmita, why should I? But if she can control herself, everyone will be saved. But she never does so, and then I have to poke in.
What? I demand justice right now.
Careful.
This is the reason I ask her to speak less. You see, Aunt, her limbs have a mind of their own. She has no clue when and how to use them. And she speaks so fast that things get disastrous overall.
What? Dish. What did he say, Ratul?
Disastrous means accident, which you keep doing.
Accident.
Oh, is it accident only? Thank Lord, no new descriptor for Mithai by bitter. Nanda's brother.
Mithai? Why are you saying ooh and then holding back?
That ooh is nothing. Nanda, are we getting any tea, coffee today?
Oh, sorry. I got glued to Mithai's speech and I forgot. Oh, wait.
Everyone gets glued to my speech. Mother tells me, Mithai, not to talk so fast and put a break sometimes, break. But as Mithai's train starts running once, it doesn't like to rest at all, not at all. Okay, be careful. Let's go, Nanda. I'll lend my hand. Come on. If I stay here now, I'd bump into another accident. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on.
I'll manage.
Siddharth, you know your wife is a very sweet girl. See, Siddharth, you would have heard that proverb that you should never judge a book by its cover. Mithai is very good at heart, naive, simple, with no malice. May you have a very, very happy life. I give my blessings.
Oh Lord, please bring back their smiles today. I wish Aunt Sushmita agrees to get Ratul married to Sister Neepa. Please help, Lord. Please help.
So, Aunt, you are no longer mad at me, am I right? I hope you'd give your consent for the wedding.
That depends on what conversation I have with Mithai. Look, Siddharth, I will not believe whatever you say, right? I need to understand how well you are treating Mithai. Maybe you are thinking, how does this link to Ratul's relationship with Neepa? But there is a link. I have told you before that my ideas are a bit different. See, after this wedding, your entire family will be connected to our family. That's why I prefer to be cautious.
Yes, why not? Why not? But what I was saying, one session with Mithai will do miracle. Am I right, Siddharth? You respect Mithai and keep her very well. And no one has any doubt about this, right?
Water. I need some water.
I'll will you some. Yes, please bring some.
Hey, Siddharth. I mean, you're not used to being a good husband, and that's why you're getting nervous. You just follow me. I'll drive away all your nervousness.
Brother Ratul, give it
Yes?
to me. Give it to me.
Hey,
give
hey,
it to
why,
me. I'll
Mithai?
go. I will go.
I'll take
No
it.
problem. I will go.
Mithai.
Who asked for water?
Oh my. Why did Ratul give you the glass of water? No. Ratul?
No, Aunt Sushmita. I told Brother Ratul to pass the glass to me. Actually, I'm getting so comfortable here. I feel at home. Who needs water?
That gentleman, your husband, is thirsty. Go.
Thirsty? Oh Lord, don't let the glass slip, please. Lord help. Lord help. Here, take it.
I didn't say a word. Still, you are nervous.
Ah,
Hey, watch out, watch out.
Wow, the Modak family did miss this moment. I don't really like it. I want to show them through video call whatever that's happening right in front of my eyes. Siddharth is holding Mithai's hand, like taking an oath tonight to hold on to each other for rest of their lives. They're so glued.
sorry.
Wait. I'll just call Sandy.
Call him up.
Sandy.
Hello?
Hello, Sandy.
Yes, Brother Atul. What's up? How is Mr. Bittergod?
Don't ask me. Mr. Bittergod is holding Mithai's hand. Over to you, Rajiv.
Sandy, brother, listen, things down here are pretty unexpected and unbelievable. Let's do a video call. Where are you now?
Listen, Rajiv. Call me after 2 minutes. I'm outside.
Oh, come on. Where are you now? Are you writing a scene or something?
No. Listen. You call on my number. Others will goof up, okay? If Uncle Samresh comes to know about this, we will be dead. Hey, listen, Rajiv. What was Ratul saying? Did Siddharth hold Mithai's hand? What is he saying?
Siddharth hold Mithai's hand.
Hey, brother Rajiv, please pinch me. What is he saying? No, don't laugh. Please tell me I'm alive.
Give me the phone now.
Huh?
Hello, Sandy. Go home fast, or else you will miss everything.
Hey, wait. I'm rushing right now. Please pass the phone to Rajiv.
Yes, go home fast. Don't laugh.
What? Yes, Sandy, tell me.
Hey, brother Rajiv, I'll connect on video call, okay? You just accept my call. I'll keep it on mute. No worries. Okay?
Okay, done. Bye for now. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Hey, come.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Oof. What is this?
I want to talk to you about something. I could have spoken to Mithai separately, but no. Siddharth, I do that here only. We should speak here only, right? What do you think, Animesh?
Yes, why not? I'm telling you, Sushmita, they are just a perfect couple. And why do you... just thanks. And why do you think that Siddharth is a bad guy? Actually, Siddharth, Sushmita is a women rights activist. And she thinks that you have done something wrong with Mithai.
Hey, Mithai, why don't you convince my mom regarding your husband? Tell her whether Siddharth treats you good or not.
What's this? If she tells the truth, what will happen then? Do you have any sense or not?
Nothing. Mithai would rather die than blurt anything. You know her very well, don't you?
Exactly. Wish Siddharth gets his senses back after this.
Mithai, say something. Tell us what Rajiv just asked you to. See, normally women don't speak up on these things and then they face big issues. I'm not saying that Siddharth is bad, but often men don't realize that they are being very disrespectful.
No, Aunt Sushmita. It's in your own hands only. Aunt, if I let someone insult me, then only he could do so, right? You are so concerned about me. I am ever grateful to you. You are such a good person. I have not seen such person in my life. And so are your sons, Rajiv and Sandeep also.
Mithai, you didn't answer what I asked. Are you scared of speaking the truth over here?
Aunt, I need some milk for my coffee. It's a little too strong for me. Excuse me.
See, Mom, Siddharth just slipped away. Now Mithai will tell you everything about Sid. Hey, Mithai. What happened? Don't think about others. If you have any issue, you can share it with Mom. You just don't worry.
Oh my, what issues? Here I have got such a lovely home and such a lovely family also. I have got grandparents, aunt. Why should there be issues? But yes, I hoped I will open my shop. But the Lord has turned my life around. Now Mithai is getting clueless like what to do and what not to do. Then how come grandfather's grandson will figure out?
Sid, are you listening?
Aunt Oppa did say that women must adapt first after marriage. How had the angry grandson know about this? That Mithai would rush into his life? I am married to a man who is carrying grandfather's lineage only. And grandfather is not a human. He is a god to me. His grandson Siddharth can never insult anyone, aunt.
Hey,
Please sit, Siddharth. Siddharth, your wife has left a scholar like me completely speechless. Always adore her like a queen.
Oh no! Look at her. She is crying.
Hey, it's connected!
Wait. Let me mute this.
Why are you muting the
They
call?
would hear us. Earnest request to the viewers, please keep silence. And nobody is going to speak too much. People in the last row will get updates on what's cooking between Mithai and Mr. Bittergourd,
Hey,
okay?
stop the rewind play. You are saying the same thing again and again. What are the updates? Tell me.
This heavy ambience here is getting on my nerves.
Yes.
I have a proposal, Siddharth.
There's no need for that, Rajiv. I need to push off. I'll leave.
No, never. I'll just go and shop steamed rice and mutton curry for lunch. Nanda and Sushmita both are here today, so there is no problem at all. I need to get going. One moment.
No.
you
There's no need for that.
Siddharth, if my dad has made up his mind that he will treat you to mutton curry and rice, then he will not let you go away without eating.
If someone insists so much, one should listen to him. People get hurt otherwise, right, Sister Nanda?
absolutely.